How to add music to video on Android. Adding a music to video, whether Android or iPhone, is fairly simple, but depends upon the type of editing app you use. In this case, I'm using CapCut, which is also one of the free editing applications, and because it's free, you might have to deal with some of the ads that the company is providing. Now simply go ahead and tap on New Project. Select the video where you want to add an audio to, then tap on Add button. Now you can see I went ahead and there's my video. But I want to add also an audio to it. So under the timeline, you can see the option called Add Audio. Just tap on it. Over here, you can see the option called Sounds after you tap on Add Audio. So tap on Sounds. Now you can add an audio, anything that CapCut is offering, but you can also add an audio from your device by going to the Files icon and going to maybe extract audio from video or from device. So tap on Device, allow the access. These are the songs within your device, so you can select that and simply add it within this particular video. This way you can add audio to video on Android. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.